Hi, I'm trying to solve another medium problem today. So let's go to problem and then from we could blind created 75. Let's select medium and then sorted by frequency. Um, I'll select something with a easy one. So things like this one, 55% might be easier. Maximum subarray, maximum. Yeah, sounds not very fun. Let me just solve scroll without looking at the list and then try to solve the nearest one. Oh, here's one. Oh, so let me solve this one. Product of array except self. Okay. Product of array. So let's start 1 hour timer. Product of array except self. So it has many flags. Good question, meaning. Given an integer array nums, return an array answer such that answer I is equal to the product of all the elements of num except nums I. The product of any prefix guaranteed to fit in 32-bit integer. You must write an algorithm that runs in O(n) time. Oops. O(n) time and without using the division operation. So I cannot write division operation. So if I, so in this case, 2 times 3, 6 times 4, 24 is the answer. But I cannot use division operation. And since it's multiplication, I should always worry about the zero, right? If there is any zero in this num, the answer will be always zero. So okay. First, let me think about how I can solve this without using division. So, let's say that 1, 2, 3, 4. If we can use I don't know, in real life, there is no way not to use division. But in here, actually I know how to solve this. Division is one way to do that, and another way to do that is maintain some array of left and right. So for example, for this, let's say that this is like this one. So we can maintain an array like -1, multiplication -1, the multiplication is 2, -2, -6, and then -24. This is we might not need this one, so this is left, and we can have the another array. This is for the multiplication of right until some I. So so to find the answer for this index, we will see this index -1, and then we will see this index. So the answer is -12, right? So this is the answer of the easy level. It is not very difficult to solve. But here, so algorithm that runs in O(n) time. This is O(n) time. This is O(n). This is also O(n). So, and then, so this is O(n) time. But the space complexity is also O(n). So here it asks, like, can you solve this problem O-1 extra space O01? The output array does not count as an extra. So it asks me whether it can be solved without the storage. First, let's write down with O(n). O(n) storage. Answer. O(n). So for the first step, I equal 0. I equal the size must be greater than 2, right? Say that. Let's make two things, left and right. Okay. And then for left, the size must be nums size. This is also same as right. So prepare left. So left 0 is num 0, right? So for I is 1, and then I is less than nums dot size. Well, actually, we can do this like this. Here, you don't use the last element, so I will decrease the time a little bit. So left I equals nums I multiply left I minus 1. So we have to let's make some TC. So like 1, 2. This is the smallest one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. This is normal case, and then we can make a right. Prepare right. So once the size -1. Last one is here. Last. So this one is last -1. Then I greater than 0, because 0 index is not used. I minus. And then might not need this. So this is not left. Right. So right I is num I. Right I plus 1. Right. So then prepare answer. Vector answer nums the size, then for let's say that let's call it ans, and 0 is right. Right 1. And then the last element, last, left, last, and so on. So here, what we can do is 1, I, until last -1, I plus plus, then answer I is left, I -1, multiply right I plus 1, right? So answer. So let's make sure that this works. So here left is 1, and then the size is 2, so this is 1, so this will be skipped. And here last is 1, so it will be 2, right 2 is right 1 is this one, and this is from 1 to last minus 1, so this is 0, so this will be skipped. So here right 1 is 2, left right, and 0 is right 1, which is 2, and 1 is left, 1, this is 0, so from 1 to this is 2, this is 0, so this will be skipped, so we will have the right answer. So this will be So for this value, let's check that. So num size minus some I plus I. Left is num. We got this number, so we'll start from this one. So this multiply this. Likewise, here we have this one and this one. Then from here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So this is 2. So it will group 2 times. So as 1 is left to 0, multiply right 1. No, not 1, 2, right? So this will be correct. Yeah. But it asks me to solve this with this. This means that without this. So let's think about how it can be done. One way we can do that is somehow we will have num. We'll have a 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll have this num and we'll have some answer. So from the one thing, let's try this. 1, 2, 60, 100. Then for this number, we can have this number, right? And for this number, we can have this number multiply by this number. So this is 60. For this number, we can use this number and this. Yeah, so we can have some value called left. And what we can do is that we can build the right side inside the answer. And then the first element actually is right side of 1, right? The left is 1 initially, so we can multiply this one. And then for this one, we need 2 multiply by, in the next left is multiplied by this one. So still 1, so left. You can make left on the fly. So let's do this. Oh, 1. Many things are same. Okay, things are same, but we don't have this one. And we have answer. So we don't have this one, but we will use right answer, 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 right? And then let's prepare answer. So left and left one, right? So left production before I is this one. Before nums I. Prepare the answer. So answer 1 will be answer 1. Surprisingly, this is true. And then for answer, the last answer, copy last is left. Then from 1 to last minus 1. So last minus 1 actually means until here. This case. So answer I will be answer I plus 1 and then multiply by left, right? And then since we are gonna left equals left multiply by nums I. This is kinda confusing because let's do this here. So initially, if we think about this, we will have the right array into the answer, and then left is 1. Initially is 1. So answer 1 is answer 2 multiplied by multiply. We are answer 1. We are doing this one, right? I don't think we need this. Do this like this. It's kind of confusing. So when I is here, what we need to do is that we're gonna multiply this and right left, which is correct. And then we're gonna multiply this. Let's say that this is 3. So now left is 3. So when I is here, it will move to here. So answer I is 3, right? Okay. When with this, when I is 1, answer this one, which is the production of the right side, and then now left, let's call it. Previously when I is was 0, it was multiplied, so now left is 4, so 4 it will be calculated. Answer last, and then last value will be left. Okay. So I think this is it. Good. Good. Although speed is kind of slow. Maybe we can run again. A little bit faster. But there are some people with 15 minutes. Not sure whether there's any error. Moves back and forth. So I think this is it. Okay, guys, thank you. And then this problem was kind of not very difficult. Maybe in the solution I can find a better one, but this actually meets the requirements of the problem, so I'm kind of happy. Okay, I will take tonight. I will have some guests to my house, so I don't know whether I can make another video or not, but I'll try. Okay, bye then.